Hello with Annie Bennett. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a motivational post for your Facebook with Canva on your mobile phone. So let's do it together. So first we are going to the Google Chrome browser on our mobile phone. So we're going to click on that. And in there, so you should type in www.canva.com up here, right? And then this is what you're going to look like inside the Canva on your mobile phone. And we're going to go to Facebook post, a template today. So we click on that. And you will see so many lovely, beautiful, right? But today we're going to make a quote that clean, fresh, and simple. So we're going to choose on this one. Click on that. And of course, we're going to put our own text in there. So we're going to delete all of this. So click on that. And then you will see the bin here. Click on the bin. And delete the group, not just the element, delete the whole thing, okay? So we're going to delete group. And now we're going to add our own text in there. So click on here. And then click on text. So the font combination has something ready-made for you already. So I'm going to choose this one. There you go. And before I do that, I'm going to get my text first that I prepare. So I'm going to choose this one. Copy. Okay. And I'm going to double click on here. So you double click on here to make it highlight like this and tap on that a little bit, and then I'm going to paste it. Right, but this is not my font, okay? I have my own font. So every brand you should have your own font, right? So my font is Play Fair Display. And this one and this abaya. Let me try this one. And not bold. Yes, now. Okay, so now I'm going to make it smaller because it seemed to be too big, right? So here, this is where we move the size. And we make older. So we move things around. Okay, right. So now it looks better, right? I'm going to put my name, my Facebook name, okay? So I'm gonna add text here. And I'm gonna go for add a subheading. Bring it down to there, and then I'm gonna double click on here and just put my name. Just like that, and then I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, I'm going to put my name, Bennett, media winner. Now it's going too big because it's zoom it, so just use your 2 finger to move it back like this, okay? Now I'm going to make my, okay, definitely we have to change our font, right? So the other font is this one, and we're going to change the color. I think I'm going to make it lighter shade. Like that. Let's see if I can change color there too. I think I'm going to keep it this color. Right, so there you go. Okay, so let's change the color of this yellow because it's not my brand color. So make sure when you tick, because if you tick on that one, it straight away it asks you if you want to fix some text, which is that what we're looking for. So you have to click this area here. So now you can see the color pop up, matching. So it's me, this is what I'm going to change. So click this. So click on this one. And because I know my hex code, so I'm going to put my hex code. So click on here if you have your hex code, okay? So I have mine, so it's F 9E5FF. That's one of my brand colors. So it's a bit pink, and the green is not my color as well. So I'm going to change the green also. And the green I'm going to change to FCF. FCF0 EF. Okay, so that's one of my neutral color. Okay, now you can see all of this is a pattern, right? And the pattern was having the same color. So I'm going to change the color. So click on the pattern and then you see the color pop up here. This is the color that we need to change to be the same as this one. So first one I'm going for yellow, and the yellow is going to be the pink, and then you click on here, okay, the green, and then the green is going to be this one, okay, and then another green here is going to be this one as well. Now here we go, and then tick on any of space, so that click on this one. Oops. Yeah, click on space here so that all the options drop down, okay? And as you see, they have 4 pattern. Okay, so they have 4 pattern here. So yeah, continue do the same process, changing the color. Okay. So now I have the template and I have the quote that look like my brand. The color is my brand and looks clean, fresh, classic, and nice. Okay, here, so in this step I'm going to show you how we're going to upload to our mobile phone. First, I want you to click on this one, the home button here, so that it automatically save your designs. And now get out from here and go to Canva application here. Okay, open up, and then you will see here design, this button, design. Okay, you will see the very first, the last one, this one. Click on that one. When you click on that, you will have your design here. And to be able to save to your mobile phone, so click on this button and it will automatically go to your mobile phone. Go to your photo album, photo gallery. So the last step, always double check, okay? Always double check. Click here. So how was it? And I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope that by the time you finish watching the video, you should be able to create a lovely motivational post for your social media. If you like my video, I would be so happy if you could give me a like, share, and if you want to show your work, you can comment below here. I would love to see your work, and I will see you next video. Bye now. สวัสดีค่ะ